From the VVIP zone of Delhi, from the national capital, here is the latest visual coming in. Even areas like Khan Market, where the members of parliament houses are, these are considered to be the Lutyens zone. All right, so in this visual, Samajwadi Party member of parliament Ram Gopal Yadav, about 77 years of age, he realized he had to venture out, possibly head toward the parliament and the road. This is a busy Khan Market road, VVIP, Lodi Estate is what it is officially called. He realizes the vehicle cannot go, it will get stuck. They had to put up a barrier at the gate to stop the water. Even the members of parliament have to do jugaad. So what does Mr. Yadav do? 77 years of age, steps from the cement bags, crosses the barrier. He's bare feet from what I gather. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is Lodi Estate, the VVIP zone of the city. What does he do then? Is there another vehicle? All right. Okay. So there are workers and supporters who have to lift Mr. Ram Gopal Yadav, who's the Samajwadi Party member of parliament, to then head to another vehicle that was put on a standby. Absolutely shocking visuals, few hours of rainfall. This is what has happened. Perhaps the members of parliament can raise this issue rather than try to attack each other. But is this a political statement as well that he's bringing in? But I do have a question here, that did he really need the help of the workers and supporters to lift him? Shouldn't he have just walked toward the vehicle like most Dilliwalas have to do, because they don't have the support of other supporters and workers to wade through that knee-deep water? Here, Mr. Yadav, from his officials there, one holding his bag, another lifts him up to ensure he safely then sits in that vehicle.
हमारे तो उसमें जितनी कोठियां हैं, नायक साहब रहते हैं, मंत्री जी वहां से लेके खुद गृह राज्य मंत्री जो एनडीएमसी के मालिक हैं वो भी वहीं रहते हैं, जनरल्स रहते हैं, और लोग रह रहे हैं, तो सब में पानी हमारे भी सबसे ज्यादा है, हर बार होता है। अब हम अंदर से, अब बाहर चूंकि हमने इंतजाम तो अपना करवा लिया था जिससे पानी न जाए, लेकिन फिर अंदर वाला पानी कहाँ से जाए, निकलेगा तो वो बढ़ता है, तो सब घर में घुस गया पानी, नुकसान बहुत हो गया।